Want to use the Filmora editing app and don't know how to download it? Then don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Filmora app on your mobile phone. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store. Now open it. After opening the app, tap onto the search bar right here. Then type Filmora just like this and search for it. Now here you can find the Filmora option just right here. Now tap on it. Now to download it, simply tap onto the Get button right here, just like this. Now double click to install and verify yourself, just like this. Now wait for a few seconds and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open it, simply tap on to open. You can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Filmora on your mobile phone. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.